In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up a autoresponder email with Sendgrid. An autoresponder is a simple way to reply automatically when someone takes an action, like subscribing or submitting a form. The goal is to guide you through the setup in a clear, step-by-step way, so you can get a working automation without confusion. First, click Marketing. This is where you will find the tools related to email campaigns and automated messaging. Once you are in the marketing area, you will see the options that help you create workflows. Next, click Automations. Automations are the feature that lets you send emails automatically based on triggers and rules. Take a moment to locate the automation dashboard, because this is where you will build your new autoresponder. Now click Create Automation. This starts a new setup process. You are essentially telling the system that you want to create a new automated flow, and then you will define what starts it and what message it sends. At this point, you will need to select a template or start from scratch. If you already have an idea of what you want your email to look like, a template can save time and keep formatting consistent. If you prefer full control, starting from scratch is a good choice. Choose whichever option fits your workflow, and then proceed. After that, you will choose the entry criteria. This part matters because it determines when the automation will run. Entry criteria are the conditions that define who should receive the autoresponder and under what circumstances. Set your criteria carefully so the right audience gets the email. Next, add an email. This is where you decide what message will be sent as the response. When you add the email, you will be creating the content and structure that the recipient will actually read. Once the email is added, customize the email. This includes writing the subject line and the main body content, and making sure the message sounds like you. It also helps to review the formatting so it is readable on both desktop and mobile. As you customize, keep the purpose clear, since an autoresponder should quickly communicate what the person can expect next. After you finish customizing, click Save. Saving ensures your work is stored and prevents you from losing changes. Take a moment to confirm that your email content looks correct before you move on to the next section. Now click Automation Options. This area controls how the automation behaves and how it is deployed. Think of it as the final configuration step that prepares the automation to start running. Finally, click Set Live. This is the action that activates your automation so it can begin responding according to the entry criteria you selected. After you set it live, your autoresponder will be ready to send emails automatically based on the rules in place. And that covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.